Have you ever thought about retiring at age 40? Wouldn't that feel good? But how will that even be possible? There's a movement sweeping the world called FIRE. FIRE stands for Financial Independence, Retire Early. And it's a movement that has started because people have started standing up for themselves and demanding freedom from the traditional 30-year 9-to-5 grind. And today, we are going to implement FIRE in your life. You're about to experience an amazing free one-on-one masterclass that will completely transform every aspect of your life. We are going to teach you how to make changes in your life that will allow you to put your money work for you, granting you the ability to retire as early as possible. Rather than working hard for 50 years and retiring, we want you to work hard for a short time as possible and spend the rest of your time doing things that you love and enjoy as an early retiree. We're going to show you the exact steps you need to take so as you can start preparing yourself for financial independence today. You do not need any financial background or any special job description. Anybody from any walk of life, even if they're only making minimum wage, can transform their life and achieve financial independence. We will be there with you every step of the way, answering any questions you ever have about anything mentioned about FIRE. Rest assured, we are here for you and will do whatever it takes to help you achieve financial independence and retire early. Click the button below to get lifetime opportunity to put yourself on the path towards financial freedom.